Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a MySQL database in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we'll need to navigate to Hostinger's platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account if you haven't done so already. Now that you're logged in and on the Hostinger dashboard, look for the Websites section. You'll find this on the left-hand menu and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can see an overview of your current websites and some additional options. Next, locate and click on the dashboard of the specific website where you intend to create a MySQL database. Now, on the dashboard menu, you need to find Databases. The option should be right there. Simply click on it. Here you'll be able to manage all of your database needs. Once you're in the Databases area, look for and click on Management. The Management section provides you with the tools necessary for configuring and adjusting your database settings. Now, we arrive at a critical step. You'll need to type in the name for your MySQL database. This is going to be how you identify this particular database among others you might create. Next, you'll enter a username and a secure password. These credentials are essential for accessing the database, so make sure your password is strong, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure security. The final step is click Create. You'll find this button right there on the screen. Once clicked, Hostinger will create your new MySQL database with the details you've provided. And that's it. So that is how you can create a MySQL database in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.